man, sabihin na lang di ko narinig ang mga usap-usapan. Magbibingi-bingihan muna ko dahil mahirap ang umasa sa hindi sigurado. Huwag mag-alala, di ko sasabihin. Naiintindihan ko kung di mo maamin. Iwan na lang natin sa tadhana ang ating kapalaran. O di naiinig, kaya paumanhin. Kunwari ay di napansin ang iyong bagong pagtingin. Di magpapahalata, okay lang kung kumalma. Wala pang nangyari, ako'y napaisip ng kung ano-ano. Talagang kailangan bang makahiyahan? Di na lang sumubok. Huwag kang magulat sa aking sasabihin. Nais kong ipaalam na ito'y pang sa atin lang. Alam kong babae ay di dapat mo maamin ng ganito. Bakit ganun? Mali bang sabihin ako'y may gusto sa'yo? Pag-isipan mo muna, aantayin ko ang iyong sagot.
Kailan lang nang tayo'y magkapalitan ng pangako na kahit magkahiwalay di tayo susubok ng bago. Sabi mo pa nga, walang pintong isasara. Hindi ito wakas, pagkus ito ay pahinga. Ngunit ano itong nakita na may kayakap kang iba? Yun ba ang ibig mong sabihin sa pahinga? Sumasakit ang dibdib ko, tumawag kayo ng ambulansya. Hindi ko na kaya to, sobra ka na. Ipipikit man ang mata, tanging ikaw ang nakikita. Anong kalokohan mo? Sige, sa kanya ka na. Bakit naman kung kailan pa handa na akong muling sumaba sa bagong kabanata natin ay sa kakamang ahas. Sabi ko na nga, wala akong mapapala, kundi rin lang wakas. Huwag na muling itulak pa, kaya't ngayong aking nakita at di mo na makakailan, itong pinto sa puso ko'y isasara. Sumasakit ang dibdib ko, tumawag kayo ng ambulansya. Hindi ko na kaya to, sumusobra ka na. Ipipikit man ang mata, Kung bumalik ka man, wala ka nang madatagnan. Ito na ang wakas para sa ating dalawa. At sana ay iyong makita kapag kayakap mo na siya. Mali ang ibig mong sabihin sa pahinga.
I didn't know I'd meet a girl who's quiet and reserved till you see her for more than just her name. When said out loud, your lips can trace the cursive writing spelled out as she told you for the first time, just the same. Her locker was above mine, I didn't mind. I go to find all of the doodles on her locker door. I stand in awe, she keeps them from me. I miss her old guitar, it reminds me of when we were young and crying over boys on posters, then writing songs in the dark. Oh, what we used to do. You and I, we were all the same until we went our separate ways. And oh, I miss her smile, 'cause it's been a while since I saw it, since she wore it. Young were the days we would keep each other sane, when we didn't know what else to say. Wild and free, carelessly we were happy, tied to the hip. We didn't dare think for a second we'd both end up like this. Oh, why'd we end up like this? Did we hit and then miss? Oh, what we used to do. You and I, we were all the same until we went our separate ways. And oh, I miss those times when we felt so alive, 'cause I'm used to you still being around, and now I can't hear a single sound from you. Aalis ng alas 4, di alam kung saan patungo, saan ba didiretso para lang makipagkwentuhan. Kahit buong araw nagkasama, di rin nagawang magsawa. O nagsawa na ba tayo, hanggang dito na lang ba? Kung alam ko lang, ganito ang wakas. Hihingin ko pa kaya ang iyong pangalan. We'll build a house from cement blocks, have 8 bedrooms, we'll make it our home. We'll buy a car, maybe a van, or 2 kids in the backseat, heart in our hands. I know this ain't gonna be easy, but I will try my best for as long as you let me. I will show you every day how much I love you. Share the ache in your chest and laugh with you. And nothing will go as planned, but trust me, I will understand when we both change. Because the way that I look at you will always stay the same. We'll watch TV at 11 p.m. Open every door and share one AC. We'll travel the world every year. Make time for kids when they both have careers. Can't say I will give my all for as long as you're with me. I will show you every day how much I love you. Share the ache in your chest and laugh with you. And nothing will go as planned, but trust me, I will understand when we both change. Because the way that I look at you will always stay the same. Will always stay the same. Will always stay the same. Will always stay. Will always stay. 'Cause when it's just us, gray and aged, I'll smile at us proudly in the home that we made. I will tell you every day that I love you. Ease the ache in your chest and laugh with you. When nothing seems to go as planned, will you please understand when I change? Because the way that I feel for you will always stay the same.
I have a lot of things on my mind. It's like a hurricane, no, I won't lie. The right words I can't find eyes only. Everywhere I go, it's for your eyes only. Everything I am is for your eyes only. No matter how they'll see me, you see beyond what I see in me. No matter what I'll be, it's for your eyes only. I can't imagine what my life would be without you. It will be chaotic, so messy. Every little thing will start to feel heavy, but you're always here and I know you will never leave me. Ready to give my all for you. No matter what happens, I'll make it through. For everything I do, it's for your eyes only. Everywhere I go, it's for your eyes only. Everything I am is for your eyes only. No matter how they'll see me, you'll see beyond what they see in me. No matter what I'll be, it's for your eyes only. It's for your eyes only. In all honesty, I've stopped believing in fantasies, and I put my walls up to protect me. I used to be a dreamer, the kind who sings while walking down the street. But when I look in the mirror, it gets harder to find her. But no, I didn't need someone to rescue me. I was fine on my own, fighting alone. But it did get easier with you. I'm a little less worried about life with you. Didn't think twice to come for a ride on the emotional roller coaster.
anyone like you who makes me laugh the way you do, makes me run and hide when I fool around, keeps my 2 feet firmly planted on the ground. You don't know anyone like me who'll write a sweet love song and then make you sing along. I guess that means we're meant to be. I guess that we're just meant to be. Dark gray past sits by me and it just lingers. Days don't go fast, makes me say, pray and wonder. Why me? Why make me taste great love and 1, 2, 3 taken away from above and it's gone away forever. There could be 1,000 reasons why I did what I did. And you're just one without you by my side. Hey, by my side. What, when, and how? Tell me, and I will follow. Too much pain and hate now. Do I really have to wallow? There are others like me. I don't really understand why take her away from me. You said make a stand. Tell me how much further. Hey. There could be 1,000 reasons why I did what I did. And you're just one in a million that I had to risk. There are more seasons that could remind me what could have been. But I'm in a mission, and I just have to listen. Take this lonely road without you, and take this lonely road without you, and take this lonely road without you by my side.
Every time in my head I would try to find the words to say that you're my reason, you're my why I get up from day to day. Just like the river goes, I go by the ebb and flow, keeping you close, close, close. I don't know where it's going, but you're always on my mind. Just stay and let go of all our worries, you and I. Who knows where we'll go when it's said and done? You know I'll be there for you, baby, you're the one. Who knows where this goes or where we'll go? But wherever we go, I know that you're the only one. There staring in my eyes, you had a smile that can brighten up my life. You always made me feel like I could go and touch the sky. And just like a radio, we all have our highs and lows, but that won't stop me from giving clues that I wanna be here with you. Who knows where we'll go when it's said and done? You know I'll be there for you, you're the one. Who knows where this goes or where we'll go? But wherever we go, I know that you're the only one. Who knows? sunshine of my life, just like a ray of light. If only I call you mine, I'll be there for you every time. Who knows where we'll go when it's said and done? I'll be there for you, baby, you're the one. Who knows where we'll go when it's said and done? You know I'll be there for you, baby, you're the one. Who knows where we'll go when it's said and done? Isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, dikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Eto na ang kantang hinihintay natin. Eto na ang pagkakataon na sabihin sa'yo ang nararamdaman ng puso ko. Matagal ko nang gustong sabihin ito. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, pitik mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Ilalagay ang iyong kamay sa aking bewang, isasabay sa tugtog ng kanta ating katawan. Handa-handahang magdidikit ating mga balat. Matagal ko nang gustong mangyari to. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Pag natapos na ating kanta at wala nang musika, kakantahan ka ng a-capella sa iyong tenga at nanamnamin natin ang pagsasama. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal. Hawak kamay, pikit mata, sumasabay sa musika. Gusto kitang isayaw ng mabagal.
ito ay alay sa'yo. Sintonado man tong mga pangako sa'yo. Ang gusto ko lamang kasama ka tumanda. Patatawanin kita pag hindi ka masaya. Bubuhatin kita pag nirayuma ka na. Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Ibibili ng balot pag mahinang tuhod. Kukuha ng gamot pag sumakit ang likod. Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. Sasamahan kahit kailanman. Humigit kumulang di mabilang 30 araw sa isang buwan. Umabot man tayo sa 3,001. Loves na loves pa rin kita kahit bungi-bungi ka na. Para sa akin ikaw ang pinakamaganda. Okay, sarap isipin kasama kang tumanda. At nangangako sa'yo pag sinagot mong oo, iaalay sa'yong buong puso ko. Sumang-ayon ka lamang kasama kang tumanda.
Mayroong lungkot sa iyong wala ka na sa piling ko. Paano ang mga pangarap, mga pangako sa bawat isa? Sana ika'y muling makita ko, damhin ang tibok ng puso mo. Sana'y yakapin mo ako muli, kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit. Mayakap ka. Puso ko'y biglang nahulilan, iyong iniwanan na nag-iisa. Sana'y ika'y muling makita ko, damhin ang tibok ng puso mo. Sana'y yakapin mo ko muli, kahit sandali, kahit isang saglit. Mayakap ka. Mayakap ka. Hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan, hanggang matapos ang kailan pa man, ikaw ang siyang mamahalin at lagi nang sasambahin. Manalig kang di ka naluluha, kiliw. At kung sadyang siya na ang iyong mahal, asahan mong ako'y di hahadlan. Habang ikaw ay maligaya, ako'y maghihintay. naging hanggang